Hey folks, welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen, and today we are going to be making sweet potato pies. It's a family favorite. I think I got the recipe from my sister. I've already taken 5 sweet potatoes, washed them real good, poked the little holes in them, and baked them for about an hour. I let them cool, peeled them, and I've got 2 cups of sweet potatoes, but I got more because I'm going to make 2 pies. So 5 sweet potatoes will make 4 cups or more. So we're going to take the 2 cups of sweet potatoes, and I made sure I got the strings out of it. Sometimes sweet potatoes have strings. Let's kind of whip it a little bit here. And I've got 1 1/4 cup of sugar. And I've got a 1/2 stick of melted butter. I've got 2 eggs beaten with 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I just poured it in there, 2 teaspoons. I've got 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's mix that. And I got 1 cup of milk. Then we'll pour in there. I've got my oven to 350, and I've got a 9-inch pie crust. This is all stirred up, and it should be smooth like this. We've got it all mixed up. We're going to pour it in the pie shell. And then we're going to bake it for 40 minutes, but then we're going to check it and see if we needed another 5 minutes. The pie's out of the oven. It was in there about between 50 and 60 minutes, depending on your oven. And it looks great. Stick it on a cooling rack for about 30 minutes, and then you can put it in the fridge and then cut it. But we're going to show pictures of this thing being cut after it cools down and everything, and it's going to be delicious, so I hope you try it. Down in the description is the recipe and a link to a printable recipe. Down in the comments, let me know what kind of pies you like. Look at that pie. Is that it? Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise. And as always, thank you for watching my videos, and God bless.